Hi guys, Misty here. Just cleansing this space. Little bit different setup today. Most of my supplies are out in the greenhouse, but we have a storm, wind, rain. So I'm back down in the basement, so you're gonna hear the house sounds. I have some music, hopefully, to keep us in here together, but that's okay, it is what it is. So, today we're gonna focus on strength and protection. As the energies keep escalating, and they are, and they're going to, nature-related, human-related, I mean, just everything. I just want you to have the strength to withstand the storm, to persevere as this keeps escalating. Of course, we're always cleansing and aligning our chakras and clearing everything, and that's wonderful. But it's inevitable that people are going to send negative energy your way as things get more volatile, and I want you to be able to persevere and feel strength and courage and just confidence in moving forward. And I also want you to be able to protect yourself and to feel protected and safe, so people can't affect your path, because you are powerful and your path is it's your journey. Don't let anybody else control it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and ring these Tibetan singing bells too. So if your ears are sensitive, please cover them. Love those things. I hope you guys are having a pleasant week thus far. I've missed you. So first we're going to do just a quick Reiki symbols drawn in, and then we're going to do a quick clearing, and then we'll start working on your confidence, your bravery, your courage, your strength, okay? All right. Chokure. Do a little bit of clearing. I even wear my protection and all my strength-related bracelets too. I reattuned, I raised my vibration, and we're going to make this count, okay? Let me just light this candle. This candle is for positive energy and strength, your solar plexus chakra. We're going to put it here where you can see it. Candle gazing is actually very beneficial. I also have a large citrine here. And my new amethyst window. Isn't that beautiful? Adam got that for me. Okay, so we're going to start with a couple of different citrines. And this is for confidence, strength, your personal power, your bravery. Stamina. Congo citron is very effective, and it never needs charged. If you're looking for a good stone for your solar plexus, or for positivity or for abundance. It's very helpful for a lot of things, but today we're focusing on strength, confidence, courage, perseverance. Hopefully we'll be back in this space tomorrow after the storm. I also have some bumblebee jasper here and serpentine. So now we're working on not only the solar plexus, but also protection and keeping things that don't belong in your energy away from you, okay? We are going to close our eyes for a minute and picture our bubble, okay? We're going to breathe in some protective, healing light, and we're going to blow out and expand that bubble around us like we always do, okay? On the third exhale, we'll hold it and reinforce that bubble. And I am going to just be running over the selenite and the serpentine to help reinforce that boundary, okay? Here we go. Breathe in. One more time. Hold it. Yes. Removing all negative energies and giving you a bubble of protection. We are going to reinforce this. One more time. Channeling through me to you. Strength, love, light, protection, okay? Till next time, peace.